Let's start with the truth that most money videos don't say out loud. Saving money is harder when you don't make much. Not because you're bad with money, not because you're lazy, not because you don't care, but because when income is low, every dollar already has a job. Rent, groceries, gas, utilities, kids, life. And when someone says, just save more, it can feel insulting. So today, we're doing this differently. In this video, I'm showing you how to save money on a low income without extreme budgeting, without skipping meals, and without pretending life isn't expensive. No guilt, no shame, no unrealistic advice. Just practical steps that real people actually use, even when money is tight. Why saving feels impossible on a low income. When your income is low, saving doesn't feel like a priority, it feels like a luxury. You're not choosing between saving and spending. You're choosing between needs. And most budgets fail low-income households because they assume there's extra money left over. But often there isn't. So if you've ever said, I can't save right now, you're not wrong. The problem isn't effort, the problem is structure. That's why saving on a low income isn't about cutting everything, it's about protecting small amounts consistently. The number one rule of saving on a low income. Here's the most important rule. You save first but very small. Not $500, not $100, not even $50. I'm talking $1, $5, $10. Because saving on a low income isn't about the amount, it's about building the habit. If you wait until you have more money, saving never starts. But if you save something, even tiny, you're training your brain to treat saving as normal. And that habit matters more than the number. How to save when there's nothing left. If you feel like there's nothing left to save, start here. Strategy 1. Save from what's already leaving. Round up purchases. If you spend $12.40, move 60 cents to savings. Strategy 2. Save windfall money only. Tax refunds, cash gifts, side income. This money wasn't part of your regular budget, so saving it doesn't hurt. Strategy 3. Save inconsistently, and that's okay. Some weeks you save $20. Some weeks you save $0. Skipping weeks doesn't mean failure, quitting does. Where low-income savers go wrong. Let's talk about common mistakes. Trying to save too much too fast, using savings for non-emergencies, keeping savings in the same account as spending, quitting after one hard month. Saving on a low income requires flexibility, not perfection. If your plan is fragile, it won't survive real life. The best type of savings to start with. When money is tight, emergency savings come first. Not investing, not vacations, not long-term goals. Because emergencies hit harder when income is low. A flat tire, a sick day, a broken phone, even $300 to $500 can prevent debt. Your first savings goal isn't freedom, it's stability. How to budget without feeling punished. Budgeting on a low income shouldn't feel like punishment. Instead of cutting everything, focus on control points. Examples: 1 grocery strategy, 1 bill to negotiate, 1 spending habit to pause. You don't need to change your entire life. You need one small win at a time. How to increase savings without increasing income. If your income can't change right now, that's okay. You can still increase savings by reducing leaks. Leaks like subscriptions you forgot about, bank fees, late fees, overdrafts. Fixing leaks doesn't require more money, just attention. And every dollar saved this way is easier than earning a new one. The mindset shift that makes saving stick. Saving on a low income requires one mindset shift. Saving is not a reward for making more money. It's a tool to survive until you do. You're not behind. You're building. Every dollar saved is proof that you're trying, and that matters. If saving money feels hard right now, hear this. You're not broken, your income is just stretched. Start small, stay flexible, protect what you can. $1 saved is still a win. If this video helped you, comment below. I'm starting small. And if you want more realistic money advice for real life, make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for watching. You're doing better than you think.